Now let's learn how to factorize the quadratic equation which is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So the equation is n squared plus 17n plus 42. So the first step is we have to compare the equation with ax squared plus bx plus c, and we have to find out what is the value of a here. It is 1. If nothing is written here in front of square value, that means it's 1. Then b is equals to 17, c is equals to 42. So what is the first step? The step 1 is we will multiply a with c. So a is 1 and c is 42, which is equals to 42. Now we will make the factors of 42. That means we will make the factors of ac. So we'll get here 21, then we'll get here 7, then 7 and 1. So 42 can be written as 42 into 1. Then it can be written as 2 into 3, 6 into 7. Then it can be written as 7 into 3, 21 into 2. Then it can be written as 7 into 2, 14 into 3. Now, these are the different factors of number 42. Now, what is your step 2? Step 2 is we have to pick out of these which factors numbers if I will take, I will add or subtract, I will get it equals to 17. That means if I will do 42 minus 1, I'll get 41. If I'll do minus 42 minus 1, I will not get anywhere from 42 and 1 if I will add or subtract equals to 17. So if you will see, if I will do 14 plus 3, I'll get here 17. And also you need to check when you will find out what number is giving you equals to b, you have to times those and it should give you the number which is equals to AC. That means 42. So I'm getting it. So now the next step is n square. 17n will be written as 14n plus 3n because we got this. 14 plus 3 is equals to 17 plus 42. Now we have 4 terms here. We will take these 2 terms together. We will take another 2 terms together. Now from these 2 terms, I can take n common. What is left? N plus 14 is left. From here, I'll get 3 common. What is left? N plus 14 is left. Now this is the first term. This is the second term. You can use here the prime factorization method if you are not clear with what to take common. I have already explained you in the previous examples. Now n plus 14 is there in both. What is left? N plus 3 is left. So the factors of this equation are n plus 14 into n plus 3. In this equation also, we will first compare this equation with ax squared plus bx plus c, where the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 4, and the value of c is minus 77. So the first step is we have to times a with c. So I'll get here 1 into minus 77, which is equals to minus 77. Now I have to make the factors of 77. I will get 7, 11, 11, 1. So that means we have only 77 two factors. 77 can be written as 7 into 11 or 77 has a factors as 77 into 1. Now 7 and 11 can be written as 7 plus 11 or I can write it as minus 7 plus 11 or I can write it as minus 7 minus 11 or I can write it as minus 11 plus 7. So I need to see which one out of these will give me the value equals to B, which is equals to minus 4. So here I'll get 18, then here I'll get 4, here I will get minus 18 and here I will get minus 4. For this, your integers should be very much clear. Now, after this, I have to check if I will times these two factors, minus 11 into 7, it should be equals to AC. So what is AC? Minus 77. So I'm getting it. That means I can write this equation as m square minus 11m plus 7m minus 77. So 4 terms again, we will take these terms together. Now from the first two terms, I can take m common. What is left? M minus 11. Similarly, from the second two terms, I can take 7 common. What is left? M minus 11 is left. You have to always take care whenever you are taking something common, these two terms should come same so that we can take them common again. Now, m minus 11 is common. What is left? M plus 7 is left. Now, in this equation, first of all, you have to see that can we take something common? So, yes, 5 into x into x. 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. Then 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now, we have to see what is common. If you can see, 5 is common in all. We'll write on 5 here. What is left? X square minus 6x plus 8. Now we have to factorize this equation which is there between. So if I will compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to minus 6 and the value of c is equals to 8. So that means AC is equals to 1 into 8 which is equals to 8. I have to make the factors of 8. It would be 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 8 can be written as 8 into 1. It can be written as 4 into 2. Now, if I will write on 4, 4 plus 2 is equals to minus 4 minus 2 is equals to 4 minus 2 is equals to then minus 4 plus 2 is equals to. So if you will see, this one will give me minus 6 which is equals to B. Now I have to check if I will multiply minus 4 with minus 2, is it giving me equals to AC? So yes, it is giving me equals to 8. That means I'll write on here 5 which is already there. We will not leave this 5 but inside the bracket we'll write on here x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Then first two terms, next two terms. So from the first two terms, I can take x common. X minus 4 is left. From the next two terms, I can take minus 2 common. What is left? X minus 4 is left. That means 5 into x minus 4 is common. We'll write on that. What is left? X minus 2 is left. So the factors of this equation are 5 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. Now in this equation, if you will see, if I will write the prime factors of the numbers, 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8 into m minus 2 into m minus 3 into 5. I cannot take anything common from any of the terms. That means I have to take this equation as such. So for that, I have to multiply a with c. So I'll compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is 8, value of b is minus 2, and the value of c is minus 15. So a into c is equals to 8 into minus 15, which is equals to minus 120. So if you will use the factors of minus 120, you will see 12 into 10 will give you 120. And if I will use it, 12 minus 10, I will get 2. Minus 12 plus 10, I will get minus 2. So what I need is equals to minus 2 because the value of b is minus 2. If I will multiply minus 12 into 10, I will also get it equals to minus 120, which is equals to AC. That means 120 will be written as minus 12 into 10. So we'll write on here 8m square minus 12m plus 10m minus 15. So the first two terms I can take here common, which is equals to 4. I write on here 4. Then m also I can take common. What is left? 2m minus 3. Similarly, from the next two terms, I can take 5 common. What is left? 2m minus 3. Now, this is the first term. This is the second term. 2m minus 3 is common. What is left? 4m plus 5 is left. So this is how you can factorize the different algebraic expressions with the different ways.